Sup guys, and welcome back to this channel. I guess you are all fine. So as usual, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a book cover like what you are just seeing on your screen. Okay, so this is an exercise book cover. Alright, so just stay tuned, prepare your mind, make sure you like, comment, subscribe if this is your first time, and if you are a usual viewer, please do same for me. So without wasting much of our time, let's jump straight into our Pixellab app and start with it. Let's go. Okay, so first of all, this is our original typeface or workspace. Alright, so we have to change the size of the background or type workspace. So you go to image size. Okay, you can leave the width to be the same, but for the height you have to change it. So let me say 850. Alright, but the width you leave like that. Okay, so after this you activate your grid lines and import shape. Okay, yes, let's import shape. Now after importing your shape, we change the color to this. This shape is serving as the joint between the front page and the back page. Okay, and so you have to bring it there and let it be in the middle. So we'll use the relative position 2 to make sure it's exactly in the middle. So this is fine. We deactivate the grid lines, then we try to import from our gallery. Okay, sorry, from our gallery we are importing this image. Okay, now we will rotate it. We use 3D rotate. So we have 3D rotate here. We can decrease this and let it fit. Alright. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Okay, so let's import shape now. And then we change the gradient color. Okay, so I'm going to be selecting the color from what we already have from the flyer, the book cover imported. Okay, so we're just going to do something like this. This is what we are really going to do, but I just want to extract the colors. Then you have to copy this. Okay, so you use the plus, then you see one has come or appeared in the middle. We have to extract the color for that one too. Alright, so this is fine. Now we have to extract the color for the third one too, and it's the same color as the middle one. Okay, we are extracting the same color for it. Okay, and this is okay, fine. Now let's go back. For the last one, you have to erase everything. Okay, so you come to the last button, and then you drag the tool there to the extreme left. Okay, we have something like this. Now don't rush to check it. Okay, put it on it, try and see whether everything is fine, whether you're okay. If you're not okay, you can go back and do your editing, do your stuffs. Okay, all right, so that is what that's the exact thing I'm trying to do. Okay, all right, so I think this is fine, this is okay. Now I can check it. Okay, okay, and lock. Alright, so we come to the other side. Now the other side, I want to make it I'll go to background color and just do it this. Alright, okay, then import shape once again. Alright, then I'll try resizing it here. I want it to fit, not forgetting our strip in the middle. Okay, you've not forgotten that.
sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Okay, so we go for the gradient. You can use the first one we did, but that will not be the best because we want to experience something. So you go back here, then you bring back the color. Okay, so let it go back, then you click OK. All right, but you can see that the colors have some differences. So to make them all stand out the same, select the second one, go back and select from here. All right, to give them the same. Right, so right now you can see that they are the same. The second and the third one now look the same. At first there was some brightness difference. Okay, so here too, I wanted to have the same color as the background. All right, so okay, so this is fine. Now I can check on OK. Then you see what we're having. You can check once again. All right, then we have this. Okay, we now have this. We lock it and go into our gallery.
Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day.
So we are important is there's a multiplication table, and we'll fit it on the shape we gave it a gradient. The shape that we give the gradient. Okay. All right. Now if you fix it there, make sure you reposition it for it to be perfect. Yeah. Okay, so this is fine. We can go on to log this. And let's type Ghana schools.
Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience.
Okay.
One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show.
Now I want to change the font type.
Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation.
Alright, to lemonic bold.
I live my life in my head like a narration.
Lemonic
Don't
bold.
expect greatness, do my
Okay.
best, man, I'll take it.
So this is fine.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
Now I have to import something again.
Today's gonna be a good day.
I have to import shape.
Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
By this time we are giving it a radius.
Wake up.
Okay,
Today's gonna be a good day.
we are giving it a radius.
Today's gonna be a good day.
Okay, so I think this is fine. Alright, check. Then we can copy this Ghana schools. Then we type 60 pages.
Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
I will not be dealing with this font type. Okay, so we'll change the font type. Change the font type to okay, so we change to this. You might not be having this type of font, but you can also change it to something which seems okay for you. Then you can copy this again, 30 sheets.
And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Okay,
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, 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 today's gonna be a every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of
Now we
thoughts, so
have
kick up
something
the
to do
clouds.
before we finish up.
They'll
We
never
copy
stop
this.
unless I can swap all the bad for the
Um,
good in my head when I'm lost.
we
Yeah,
can edit.
so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are
So
overtaken.
name.
I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up,
Rename class. Okay.
wake up,
So
today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
alright, so we have this. We want it to fit here, so we change the color.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Alright.
Today's gonna be a good day.
Okay, so we have name. I think I have to add more full stops or more dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we copy that. We change this to subject. Some of them have to go. Okay, then we can copy again, change this to class. Definitely some of the dots have to add up.
Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up,
I think the last one should be date. Okay, we copy this again and bring date. So you can reposition this one, the name, subjects, for the rest to also get enough space. Alright.
Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken. I got patience. One day at a time.
Okay, so guys, we have our exercise book. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please make sure you comment, you like, and subscribe. If you do not understand anything, or if you have any question for me, please indicate in the comment section. I'll make time and answer them all. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.